Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
This is where you come to someone that doesn't know about natural hair. How do I do this?
Yeah. No. Yeah. You need water. How can you not know about natural hair?
Do I look like someone that rocks natural
Hi. Yeah. Hey guys, you got me. So basically, I'm trying to get a nice, you know, kinky coarse wig in and do a style, but this girl, yeah, she just wants to break my natural hair so I can be wearing silky wigs.
Yes,
no,
that's what we want.
No. So I thought I'll do this video because I had a lot of people cussing me with my other kinky coarse wig. And I just wanted to show people that the hair is bomb. It's just that I'm not very good at styling. So thank God for Ricky. We're going to see how beautiful this hair looks. So guys, this is my first time doing a frontal wig. And RG Wigs, she is bomb at styling hair. However, I would highly recommend, if you have natural hair, to get your braids done before you get to her, because she's very hard-handed when it comes to your natural hair and she's not knowledgeable with natural hair. So yes, I was suffering and went through a lot of pain.
I'm enjoying it.
Torture. Wait, pause. Ow, please. More water, it's dried up. More water.
I'll be more careful.
Natural hair. I look so buff. Hey!
It's too loud.
I actually just did my beauty for a sec. Like, don't I look good? Don't I look good? So guys, she finally combed my hair out and done my braids. Look how fresh they look right now. So now it's time to put on the wig. RG actually made this wig, so we are going to style it and show you how the kinky coarse hair looks to all my black girls. So I'm new to the frontal game, and Ricky recommended that you use the Got To Be glue. It just keeps your edges slicked down and it's not messy, and it's obviously good for holding down frontal, so it has a multi-purpose use. So you can blow dry the glue if you want to quicken the process. And as mentioned by the stylist, frontal wigs are very, very high maintenance. It's not for everyone. And she mentioned that it does shed easily, so you have to really look after it. I think I'm going to stick to my closures because it did take a while. And at the moment, she's just creating baby hairs. So yeah, it's not as straightforward as a closure.
I just will.
I'm actually 18.
I don't care.
Are you 18?
You're basically 11 to me.
Oh, sorry. I'm what? 11?
You're basically 11 in my eyes.
And that's the truth of the matter is, you will get influenced if you're with the wrong people, and you will end up doing things you didn't think you were going to do. And then before you know it, by the time you leave uni, you'll be screaming men are trash.
All men are trash. Especially in Nigeria.
They really are though. You need to be very, very careful.
I've never had a man.
Exactly.
I'm actually not saying this for you, I'm being dead serious.
Yeah,
that's normal. You're 18, so I never had a real man.
No,
I'm 21. Me too, I have not had any. All of them were puppy love. I've not had no man. I really can sit here and tell you that I'm 21. It doesn't mean nothing. Like, it's normal. I know the time I do have my man, it will be my husband, by the grace of God.
Amen to that one.
At the moment, she is just slicking down my baby hairs, my fake baby hairs. But guys, look how natural already this hair looks. This is the Kinky Coarse wig, and it's bye to all my black girls, the bundles, woo! Oh, sorry, did I forget to mention that this is only 2 bundles of 20 inches and an 18-inch frontal. Guys, kinky hair is so full. This is the benefits. You do not always need 3 bundles. So now it's time to style the wig. She put a bit of mousse on the top and she's using the cloth to slick down the edges and put in some water to style it up, because water is your best friend when it comes to 4C hair. So yeah, we've also used some curl defining gel, which is essential for any curly hair type, just to get that slickness and definition. And this is optional. You don't have to use a curling iron to flatten down. We done now. Look at how beautiful this first style is. It's just very simple. I love it. It's just hello, only 2 bundles. Let's not forget that. Now we're on to the next style, and guys, I just wanted to talk about texture appreciation. It's very important that we represent all types of hair textures, and especially 4C, which is always underrepresented. Guys, love your hair, love who you are, love the texture of your hair, and embrace who you are. That is what I stand for. Trust me, I've not always been like this. I have been relaxed for most of my life, and so I know the struggles of transitioning into natural hair. But I learned to embrace it, and trust me, when you take the move, you'll realize that natural hair is just the best way. If you want to start the journey of natural hair, or just try a new look, or add some volume to your current natural hair, try some To All My Black Girls wig. There's so many ways to style this hair. Honestly, it's so versatile, and I just love it because I feel like it suits me, and when my hair gets to this length, it's going to be bomb. Like, guys, just have hope. My hair's gonna look like this very soon. And this is the third style. She just puffed it up a little bit, and look at how buff this hair is, guys. I'm so sorry. I know it's my brand, but I love it. I look amazing. And this hair is not actually hard to maintain. I always tell people it's just like your natural hair. Put some curly hair products and put some oils to give it the fresh look again, basically. And it's best to use the oils when the hair is damp. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you visit To All My Black Girls for clip-ins, wigs, wefts, and natural looking hair extensions. See you in my next video. Bye. Oh, how could I forget? Subscribe and rate this look out of 10. Hey guys, your girl Nunu. If you're interested in natural hair extensions, make sure you visit toallmyblackgirls.com. Make sure you support black owned businesses and put money back into the black community. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter at NunuOBE, and subscribe.